How to change flight date on Qatar Airlines. I am going to show you how you can easily change date on Qatar Airlines. Qatar Airways provides the option to modify the flight ticket as per your choice, making the reservation. If your plan got postponed, then you can easily change the flight. Use Manage Booking option from the official webpage. There are a few details that you need to fill out, and after paying the relevant charges, your flight will be rescheduled. Following is the complete procedure to change flights online. The process to change the flight date online. Navigate to the official Qatar Airways website or mobile application. Tap on Manage Booking. Mention the booking reference and last name of the passenger. Choose to reschedule the flight and select a new date based on availability. If any fee is displayed on the screen, pay it. Download the updated e-ticket on your device. The airline allows the passenger to reschedule the flight up to 2 to 3 hours before the flight. To change the flight date, you have to pay the difference in amount. If the flight is canceled or delayed for more than 3 hours, then the passenger can reschedule for free or request a full refund. The charges for rescheduling the flight with Qatar Airways may depend on the class and destination. You can make a request for a flight change through the Manage Booking section or by connecting with customer service. The other best method is to reschedule the flight with Qatar Airways or call their customer service phone number. Once you get a hold of the live representative, they will share details on the available flights and quickly reschedule them for you. Go through the given instructions to a talk live executive about flight change. Give a phone to call Qatar Airways phone number. Select the language from the options and tap on the button to change the flight. Your call will then get transferred to a live person on the airline. Share the requested flight details and mention the date to which you wish to upgrade. The executive will provide information on the upcoming flights and assist you with rescheduling.